Leon samo si izkustva odial čafa, glavno se boji
Good morning, it is Wednesday, day 44 or 43, I'm not sure, and I made it through the night. Well, everybody made it through the night. I slept quite well, so even though I woke up a lot scared that spiders were gonna fall on my face or something, but yeah, I slept quite well. Sleeping in the mountain definitely puts you to sleep like a log. So yeah, I'm gonna go and see what we're gonna do today.
Come on, let's go.
I am Hercules.
At the mountain hut called Bregovica.
What are we gonna do here?
Place. We're gonna chill. We've been walking for 3 hours.
Really?
Yeah. Because we got delayed at the river.
This is where we ate lunch. Over here in the red corner we have George representing Barcelona.
They found me at the hut as well.
Explain huts.
H-U-D-S. A British word, first originated in 1860s. The hut. Usually people come here to sleep or even just spend the day. They make food. They have, I don't know, toilets, bathrooms, everything. So you can either come here on a proper holiday or you can just come here for a day and enjoy the mountain, because they're usually really high up the mountain. For example, this one is at about 2,125 meters above the sea level.
sitting in the car because I'm so hot I just can't think straight. Ugh.